Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have the Be Kind box by Ellen. And guys, this is the Be Kind Ellen's Celebrate Fall. And she does have a subscription box. However, you can get this box currently in her shop for $29. It is a $200 value, and we will pop in here and see what we get for our $29 and a $200 value, and I will have the link down in my description. Now, there is a subscription box that'll come out for fall, and I am not subscribed to that. I just get her past boxes and or her specialty boxes like this one, and like I said, 29 bucks. Let's see if it's worth it. I think it's going to have like 5 to 6 items in it. So there you go, that's a good deal. And I've got lighting issues again. I don't know what that is, but that's what we're dealing with, and we'll just have to deal with it. I'm going to ask Scotty if he wants to beam us up anytime soon. But this here is what it looks like on the inside. It says, Zimwater, refresh, restore our oceans. So she does do a lot of things with different companies as far as our environment and the ocean. And we've kind of already learned that a couple of times. And I think this is our book, Be Kind. And it's going to also be our product card. It's going to tell us a little bit about the box. And I don't know if you noticed, but her boxes are always decorated up really nice. She's got flowers all over this one, and part of it got covered up with my shipping label there, but yeah, she always has some really nice boxes, and you could store things and repurpose that really well. And we're going to have several things in here, and I'm going to try to find them all, but I have gotten her boxes, and as I was telling you, she's very much into the ocean and the sea life and preserving in that fashion, and she also does a lot with water. And Zimwater is a vapor distilled alkaline water. It says, we are excited to partner with Zimwater Alkaline Water for this season's box. So this is a past box. Zimwater allows you to refresh yourself while also helping to restore our oceans. It's the first and only beverage in the world made from 100% recycled. So I'm not sure if they mean recycled like the plastic or recycled the water. Certified ocean-bound plastic. Okay, plastic's what we're talking about. That's plastic rescued from at-risk coastlines and waterways, which prevents it from reaching and polluting the oceans. Even the label and cap are recyclable. How awesome is that? And what's better is that 1% of Zimwater's sales are donated to the Ocean Conservation and Recycling Advocacy. It's ultra-pure, refreshing water that you can feel good about. And it says the value is $2.29, and there may be something in there for that, and maybe we should look and see. But I wanted to tell you, along with her subscription, you can subscribe. I believe it's $54.99 a quarter or $49.99 a quarter if you do it for a year. And they bill you all at once, of course, for that. Well, I see a couple of things here. Let me see if I can find the Zimwater. I don't know that I see any water in here. So yeah, I don't see any water, so I don't know if they're just telling you how much it is, but there's the website if you'd want to go to that. And apparently it's $2.29 a bottle or a package, I'm not sure. Now, the first thing that we're going to be looking at is sanctuary hoops, and that is right here. And they've got everything packaged up really good so it's not flying around in your box, so she does real well with that as well. And the first thing is the Sanctuary Project, and it's golden hoop earrings. So everything she does in her box is probably going to be featured with some kind of environmentally friendly, economically friendly type project. And this is the Sanctuary Project. And it says, these are the perfect finishing touch to your everyday look. But the best part about your hoops are the tangible impact they make on women's lives. Sanctuary Project is a nonprofit social enterprise providing meaningful employment and job training to women who have survived lives of trafficking, violence, violence and addiction. It is a survivor-run organization offering a safe community for women transition to grow in practical skills while restoring their lives and hearts. All the jewelry is designed and packaged by their employees, and 100% of their sales go directly to providing more job opportunities and job training to them. Every time you wear your earrings, we hope this reminds you of the life you impacted. So that's very nice, and they're very nice little earrings here. I don't know if they're made of anything particular other than it's probably repurposed, either repurposed metal or repurposed fabric. I can't really tell. It just says that they're finished with a gold touch and they're gold hoop earrings, but I think they're very cute. What do y'all think? And they're not too small. A lot of times I don't like to wear small earrings, but these won't be too small, I don't think, and I'll get some use out of those. So those are the earrings. The next thing we have is the Modern Monet, and this is a paint by numbers kit, and that is right here. And look at this, guys. This is a pretty good size Monet paint by numbers. And inside here, I think it's a full kit. In the contents of this is a 16 by 20 ready to paint premium printed canvas. It's a pre-mixed acrylic paints in handy little pots and a set of 4 paint brushes. Tube topper becomes a cup for supplies. So once you take this apart, which is right here, you can put your supplies in this for your brushes and things like that. And then the rest of your supplies are down in there. I'm going to just pull out the paints so that you can actually see them, and then you've got your brushes there, and then all the color paints that you'll need, and I'm sure they're numbered. Yes, they are. They are all numbered, so you'll know what to paint where. So that is really cool. The value of this is $42. And let me see what the earrings are valued at. And you got your canvas right there that's kind of sticking out, so that you can see that, and you can tell that it's canvas, that I've got it up there close, and it's probably going to be this Greek crease painting here. So that's going to be very lovely, and it's a $42 value, and the earrings were a $50 value, just in case you wanted to know. So very nice. That is really a cool thing to get in a box. And remember, I'm giving you prices. It's a $200 value, and you can purchase it for $29, and I'll have my link down in the description. Now, let's go to the next item. It's called a Terra thread. It's an organic cotton zipper pouch, and this looks to be like some type of makeup pouch. The color's yellow. It's kind of a mustard yellow. It's got their name right there on the side. This organic cotton zipper pouch is perfect for you to organize your favorite cosmetic items, and we choose a sunny yellow color to brighten up your day. Founded by father-daughter duo Vic and Vizen Guri, Terra thread was created in response to an adverse effects of fast fashion, as well as lack of bags made from natural fibers available to conscious consumers. Terra thread believes in taking environmental and social responsibilities in all aspects of their business, and their mission is to create the best fair trade certified cotton bags by always being sustainable, ethical, traceable, and transparent. All products are carbon neutral, and Terra thread supports carbon offset projects in renewable energy and reforestation. The best part, each purchase supports Feeding America's campaign to end hunger by helping to donate meals to the kids and families in need. With this season's collaboration, generating 460,000 meals to those facing hunger in the United States. And this has a value of $15. And one thing I like about Ellen's things is that, things aren't overly priced. I mean, this is probably an average price that you'd pay for something like this. And, with earrings and stuff like that and that art piece, I'm sure you'd pay at least that much money for it. So I like that part too. It's just a nice zipper bag on the inside, and it would hold lots of cosmetics, and it is cotton, so it's not plastic. You're not going to have a lining. If you want something, if you think that you might have something in there that could leak out, you might not want to use that one for that particular project or carry those items in it. Our next item is a charged wellness. This is a quartz bracelet. It's a rose quartz bracelet, and it says rose quartz is the stone of unconditional love. I don't know if I knew that. You know, we get a lot of rose quartz things sometimes in our makeup, so that's very interesting. And this is the beautiful bracelet, and it is very shiny, and you can see the rose quartz on there. It says it carries a soft energy of compassion, peace, and comfort. Wearing this stone every day will serve as a reminder to love yourself and to be open to receiving love from others. Your bracelet is 18 karat gold plated, fully adjustable, and features genuine rose quartz. Our friends at Charged Wellness are on a mission to provide you to the tools to help you recharge and revive yourself through the journey of self-care, healing, and wellness. You can use your charged pieces to tune into your needs to better achieve balance physically, emotionally, and spiritually. And this has a value of $40. But it's very pretty. It's a beautiful piece. The next thing that we have is Daily Concepts, and this is a body scrubber, and many of us have seen these in our boxes. And this is a daily body scrubber. I'm going to leave it all intact. They've got it sealed because I will probably pass this along since I have so many, but it does look like it is one that you can exfoliate your body with. It says the Daily Body Scrubber gently exfoliates the skin and its soft, natural, organic cotton surface, while the soy-based core creates a rich lather when used with your favorite body wash and cleanser. The Daily Body Scrubber is organic, vegan, never tested on animals, biodegradable, and patent ecologic technology helps to accelerate the biodegradation of the fibers in the micro-rich landfills. Your body scrubber comes with smart label technology. When the writing on the label fades, it's time to replace your daily body scrubber. That's pretty interesting. It's approximately 90 days of use. Daily Concept supports Lava Mox, which provides mobile showers to homeless in LA and the San Francisco Bay Area, and the value is $20. Now our next item is a household item, and it's Miracle brand, and it's laundry detergent sheets. Have any of y'all used laundry detergent sheets? I've never used them. They smell fresh and clean. Ditch your bulky plastic laundry detergent for these zero-waste, eco-friendly laundry detergent sheets. The compact box takes up minimal space in your storage, made with only 4 ingredients. These sheets will be your new favorite thing. All you have to do is fill up your washing machine, throw in a sheet or 2, and you're good to go. When you're finished, just recycle the cardboard box. No plastic, no waste, just clean clothes. And the value is $30. I've never used anything like this before, and that's what the sheets look like. It feels like they have soap on them, so I could see how, you put that in the washer and then it just dissolves. And like I said, it's got a nice, clean, fresh scent. I'll have to try those out. Let me know if you've ever tried anything like this before. I'd really like to know that. So that's pretty cool. That's my Be Kind box. Do you have a favorite? I really like this, and I think this is a favorite thing, and I do like the earrings, but as far as my favorite thing, I don't know. Yeah, I do. I think my favorite thing is going to be this art piece, because that's pretty unique to get something like that in a box, and it's a good size. It's not small, and it's going to be a 16 by 20, it says, and Greek grease. That's what we're going to be painting right there. It says it's a 12-hour project. Wow, they even tell you how long it takes. Once you get started, you'll know where you're at with it. That is so cool. Okay, guys, that's my favorite item. The one thing I'm going to be looking forward to trying out, though, are these laundry sheets. So you let me know about the laundry sheets. Have you ever tried anything like that? And let me know what you think, and let me know what your favorite item is. And the earrings would probably be my second favorite thing. But as for this box, that is my Be Kind box. And I think for $29, I got a good value. Just this painting alone is worth it. And I have several people in my family that like to paint by number, so that'll make a nice gift. And that's the other thing. If this is not for you, then there may be something in these boxes that runs, $25, $30 that would be of interest to you for Christmas presents and or birthday presents or just gifts in general. So keep that in mind as well. But as for today and the Be Kind box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.